So today is the 24th of May and it's a beautiful day, really hot, sunny. Yeah, the boat was launched last week in the rain, as you probably saw. Gonna go over for the first time, put the sails on, because still haven't put the sails on, so we're gonna put the sails on today. Hopefully it will go well. Look, there's people out paddleboarding already. Very nice. Yeah, so we're getting the sails out of the V-berth. Gonna put them up. There we go. There's the main halyard bit. I've got the batons, shackle, some mousing wire, here is halyard through the shackle. Buttons. Just got to put it in the track. Okay, I've done the mainsail, look, put the cover on and everything. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. Now I'm going to do the jib, which is there. Oh, here we are, beautiful stone house pool. So yesterday we did the rigging, today we're going to go out for a test sail. Yeah. Got easterlies, high tide at 2. Let's go. First sail of 2026, and it is today May the 25th. Still May, and it's scorching. It's 30 degrees earlier. I don't know how hot it's going to be now, but anyway, we're just going to go up the river, find so much more up, get the sails out, do a little test sail, and we're off. Lovely. How's that then, eh? Lovely. Yeah, so we've come up the river from Plymouth. Plymouth is just there. That's Devonport. That's Millbrook. And that's up the river up there. You can just about see the bridge. Yeah. We're just going to go for a little paddle because it's dead nice over there. Can paddle under the trees, dead nice. And we're off. Look at my boat. Look at my boat. Look, there's a little egret there. So we're going to go over here a little bit. There's a little beach just there we can stop on. Jellyfish. Beautiful. Lovely bit of shade under the trees. Let's explore. There's the mast and the furling rig. Bilge keel. Catwater Harbour. Oh, look. Side. Go there. Also, down the hatch. What's down the hatch? Look at the pretty flowers. And the weird. Get under the trees over there, looks nice, doesn't it? In one of my other sailing videos we come here in my dinghy, in my sailing dinghy, the Gull, yeah. Let's get under these trees, see what it's like. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. Lovely, cool shade of the trees. I paddle along this edge here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And look, Helouise is just there. Amazing, isn't it? A splashy little cove here. Somewhere near Mount Edgecumbe. It's not nice. Oh, there's my beauty, look. looking good, isn't she? Huh? There we go. That was nice. And we're back. Whew. That's where we were over there. Can you see those houses? That little wall. That's Millbrook. And there is the dinghies from Horizons. What are they doing out today? Bank holiday. Yeah, it's really hot in the cabin. What, we've got 31.1 degrees. Oh my god. Really hot. But just made myself a lovely bit of tomato salad. Gonna have some tinned mackerel with a bit of pita bread as always. Lovely. And there's my dinner. Heading back under a lovely breeze. Approaching the anchorage here. My boat.